Newton meter, 190 Newton meter, see the unit, is required for running the mixer in dairy plant at 150 rpm. Full stop. It is to be driven by electric motor which runs at 720 rpm through the spur gear pair. So it's like a type of numerical spur gear pair. So mention it. Next, the number of teeth on pinion is 20, while pitch circle diameter of pinion is 80 mm. Calculate gear ratio, number of teeth on gears, PCD of gear and power rating. So first read the carefully this all technical numerical first theory. Torque of 190 Newton meters. Try to understand what is the speed of motor? 720 rpm, right? What is the speed of machine? 150. So is it reduction? Yes. So always now in this case also pinion that is connected to the motor shaft, is it? Yes. So first that you should first read the numerical carefully and then go for this arrangement. Now motor speed. So first I'll write suppose given data here. Motor speed, that is which driving side pinion. So what is N1, 720 rpm. Next N2, speed of mixer. Say it's like one application they mentioned. It's like output shaft. So that's the driven side. Here you can write this mixer in dairy plant and this is input from electric motor. Same. Now this is 150 rpm. So N1 is 720 rpm, N2 is 150 rpm. This is the arrangement from motor, pinion, that's driving side, mixer as a applications, reduced speed connected to the driven side, right? Next, number of teeth on pinion. So what is given? Number of teeth T1 on pinion. So this let's say one parameter all second. So number of teeth on pinion T1 is 20. Next, what is given? Pitch circle diameter. For which given? It is given for pinion. So that is also D1. So D1 PCD of pinion. Pinion means D1. It is 80 mm. So this is given parameters. Simple formula again same. First, what do you need to find out? Gear ratio. So gear ratio I is equals to N1 upon N2. So N1 is 720 by 150. 720 by 150. So gear ratio is 4.8. First answer. N1 by N2. N1 is motor speed 720. Mixer runs at as machine 150. That is 4.8. First answer. Second. What is our second? Number of teeth on gears. So same I is equals to T2 by T1. I is 4.8. T2 is, we need to find out, T1 is 20. So that is number of teeth on gear is 96. Next, second. Just 4.8 into this. Third, very important, power rating. Now to go with this first thing, first line, a torque of 190 Newton meter. I guess this part is same as previous numerical, just the sake of calculation difference. A torque of 190 Newton meter required for running the mixer in dairy plant. So now this torque is on which side? Electric, okay fine. This is electric motor driving side. Connected to mixer plant, the driven side. So statement is A torque of 190 meter is required to run the mixer. Mixer means this shaft, driven side. So torque on which side is given? Driven side. So to avoid confusion of 1 and 2, I am using notation TG because we are using T1, T2 for number of teeth. So very important, torque on driven means gear is given, not pinion. Am I clear with this? Torque on the gear, so TG is 190 Newton meter. So how you can calculate power? What is power formula? Yes, so P is equals to 2 pi N T 60. If N it is in the RPM, so you should take this 60, right? So you will get answer in watt. If this unit is Newton meter. Very clear SI unit. If it is Newton meter, then only you will get answer in watt. Now, point of discussion here starts. In this case, what is given? Torque on driven side means on gear side, is it? So what N I should take, N1 or N2? That's it, because that is the discussion. If you take N1, that is something different. If you take N2, it is different. What is power? Speed into torque, omega into T, right? So if you are talking about driven side, so you should take a speed of driven. You should not take here N1. It is N2, driven side. That's the gear speed. Clear? Or you can take as notation as it is, capital L. So there should be N2 TG. In this case, driven side is a gear, so torque on gear. Corresponding speed is N2 gear side. So you can write this, which is same equivalent to formula 2 pi N1 TP by 60. Right? Speed of pinion to the torque on pinion. Is it? Because we are saying power transmission is same, almost same. For gear drive, we are assuming efficiency is almost 100%. So we are equating this 2 pi NT, but that corresponding N and T should be on the same side. Speed of driver on driven, it should be same. Means in this case, torque on the gear, so that corresponding N should be on gear. Clear? So in this case, we did not to worry about this. We need to calculate just power. So 2 pi, what is N2? 150 RPM. Torque is 190 Newton meter divided by 60. 2.98 into 10 raised to 3. Now what will be the unit? Watt. Remember, torque should be in the unit Newton meter to get answer in watt. Now of course, if I eliminate this, 2.98 kilowatt. So that is power, or approximately 3 kilowatt motor. So that is the electric motor power rating, that is 3 kilowatt. Okay.